my bike. And then I'll show you that video. So I'm going to try to jump that. That's 5.5 feet.
5.5 feet?
Yeah, I'm going to try to jump it. Ready?
Okay. I'm watching. I'm not.
But don't touch it, okay?
Oh, there he goes! Woo! Yeah, Jared, that's my brother. Yep. He's pretty good at jumping. I don't know if he's going to make this 5 feet jump. Come on, Brett. Jared.
Make your coat out of the way.
Come. That's my dog. Come. Come here. See, that's Coda. Oh, and he makes it! Woo! It's a good jump. Is he gonna make 6 feet?
Hit it.
Hit what?
The button.